In today's wrap-up, according to a recent survey, the army and the church are the most trusted institutions in Armenia. A probe has been set up into the government's handling of the coronavirus pandemic, and 662 new cases of COVID-19 have been confirmed. The Caucasus Research Resource Center has published the results of its newest edition of the Caucasus Barometer Survey. The survey was conducted between February 21st and March 15th this year. Part of the survey questioned Armenians on their trust levels towards certain institutions. The army scored first in terms of public trust with 88%, 57% saying they completely trust, and 31% saying they mostly trust. Second came the church as the second most trusted institution with 80%, 46% saying they completely trust the church, and 34% saying they mostly trust. President of the Republic Armen Sargsyan came in third with 78% of respondents expressing confidence in him. The government came in fourth with 71%, with 27% saying they fully trust the government and 44% saying they mostly trust the government. In terms of the most distrusted institutions, courts come first, followed by political parties, banks, and the media. A probe has been set up to look into how effective the government's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic was, as well as how authorities tried to mitigate effects and possible infringements on civil liberties. This comes after two opposition parties in parliament, the Bright Armenia Party and the Prosperous Armenia Party, both applied to the Speaker of Parliament, Ararat Mirzoyan, to set up a commission to look into the matter. Both business tycoon and politician Gagik Tsarukyan and leader of the Bright Armenia Party, Edmond Marokyan, have criticized the government's handling of the pandemic as ineffective. Health authorities in Armenia have confirmed 662 new cases of COVID-19, raising the total number of cases to 27,320. 448 recoveries were also reported, and 10 more deaths, raising the death toll to 469. In other news, two Armenian brothers in London have organized the shipment of 30,000 face masks to Armenia. Both of the West London students started producing masks using 3D printers. The masks should reach Armenia in 10 days. This comes, however, as health authorities in Armenia declared that they have a surplus of masks, which has led to Armenia beginning to export masks. Սիվիլնեթ Stella Mehrabekyan spoke to Shahan Kandaharian, the chief editor of Beirut-based Azdab Daily. Kandaharian elaborates on the crisis in Lebanon and the state of the Armenian community there. Lebanon is experiencing an unprecedented socio-economic crisis, accompanied with the COVID-19 pandemic, devaluation of the local currency, and food shortages. Kandaharian says that Armenian organizations have been taking every effort to help the community overcome the crisis. Սիվիլնեթ's director Apo Boghikyan also touched upon the problem the Armenian community is facing in Lebanon in his op-ed. Boghikyan highlights how the Armenian government, namely the Office of the High Commissioner for Diaspora Affairs, must act and present a support plan to Lebanese Armenians.